Hey guys, it is Julie Willits with juliewillits.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about those of you who are starting out in affiliate marketing or any type of marketing actually, that you need to be creating evergreen content for your business. Now, what does evergreen actually mean? Well, you know the trees that we use every Christmas, and you see them throughout the year and they're always green. So evergreen came from the tree analogy itself. So that means that something that is going to be relative for some time to come. It's not something that's trendy. It's not something that is going to be here today, gone tomorrow. It's something that is going to be relevant for a while. So let's get on into it. So the first thing you can do to create evergreen content is to do how-to guides. And this can be a video about what you've learned, and then you take it and teach that to somebody else and share it with them. You want to be sure that it is specific to what your channel is about, which my channel is about how to make money online, how to do internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and different tools that you can use along the way in your journey that will make life a little bit easier for you. So if you are new to my channel, I really want to welcome you. And if you haven't subscribed, or if you want to see further videos from me, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified when I do upload some new content. So yeah, you want to be sure that it is relevant to your channel. You don't want to be talking about an online business and then uploading stuff about dogs or cats or cooking. I mean, it's just not going to make sense to your audience, okay? So how-to guides are a great thing. I have done quite a few videos myself on how to do different things, how to use different tools, and this will help your audience, okay? So I pretty much already talked about that. So an example for me would be, so I create an email list, because once somebody opts into my funnel, which the beginning would be a capture page, and they would enter their email and name in there, and I want to be able to follow up with them, be able to communicate with them, so I would use an autoresponder. So I could actually do a how-to video on how to set up an autoresponder and how to use one. So you can also do a review of products. Now this is a huge, wide open, because it could be products of any kind, something that you may have used, a tool that you have used in your business. It could be digital, it can be a physical product. You may have something on your channel to do with makeup or fashion, and you can actually, give people advice on where to get something at a great price, and maybe you've used the product and you want to share this with them, that you feel it be beneficial for use in their everyday life, or it's something that they want to purchase but they're not quite sure yet, because they don't really know if this is something that's going to really solve something for them that they need, okay? And let them know if you like it or if you don't like it. So I would, in my audience, perhaps an example would be, I would maybe do a review of AWeber autoresponder to GetResponse autoresponder. And maybe I could tell them the differences with pricing, with how they actually store the information, what you're able to do within each autoresponder, and that would give them a decision-making factor on which one they would want to use. So a physical product, and this just came out of the top of my head, I've actually been researching, I've used a CBD oil, and I've actually been researching different various CBD oils to maybe try to see if there's any difference. I'm pretty picky about not having flavoring, so far I've only come up with one, but maybe you know of some other ones that are out there that just have natural flavoring. And yeah, so that's just something that came into my mind when I was creating the slides for this video. So, frequently asked questions. This is a huge topic because you can go into different forums or even groups on either Facebook groups. You can go to Quora.com and you can see the different questions that people are asking. Maybe you're somebody that likes to read the posts on Reddit, which I've heard. I've only been on there a few times. I'm not big on Reddit, but I've heard that they really get very good engagement when somebody is bringing up something, a particular topic, and people voice their opinions about it. So if you see something, or maybe you have a team that you're building and you're getting the same question asked more than once, so why wouldn't you actually make some type of content regarding that? And that way there's plenty of people that are actually searching for that and would like to have an answer. I hope that makes sense. I mean, we all search for Google, YouTube on how to do things all the time. I mean, I do almost every day, looking for something to see if I can solve the problem on my own before I can get further outside help. And you should be doing that on a regular basis. It's so important for you to keep learning, and a lot of it is going to be on your own. And then if you don't get the answer that you need, or you think that you have found the right one for you, then you can go to somebody and ask for their expertise. So when you're making this evergreen content, there is really 3 ways that you will be found while doing this. And one would be on YouTube. The other would be doing a podcast. And the third one is blogging. I've never blogged. I don't really know much about it, but I know a lot of people that do. And the YouTube is actually just finding the right piece of information that other people are actually searching for. And the podcast thing is kind of new. It's been out there quite a while, but Pandora is now picking up podcasts, and it's kind of, you're listening to different people actually just doing the audio part of what a video would be and explaining everything through audio. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some information that can kind of, take you forward into the next step of your journey. And I just want to mention that if you are new to affiliate marketing, my company currently has a challenge going on right now, and it's free for you to sign up. And you're going to go through a 15-day challenge. I mean, it may take you more than 15 days to complete, but you can actually kind of get the foundation of what you need and what's going to happen for you once you start an online affiliate business. So I will put that link in the description, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye now.